Hello students, Somini is once again back with you at your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward. And I'm here with your book, The Grammar Hub by Feather Caps. What ahead in the journey in grammar? We are going to start chapter 8 of your book, that is adjectives. Adjectives, they describe words. They are the describing words and they describe the naming words. So what's that? Are you excited to know? Let's start the journey. So, look at the pictures and circle the naming words. Can you see there are more words also here? This is the picture of an elephant and what we are saying? Big elephant. So, you just have to pick out the naming word here and you have to circle them. So, what is the naming word here? Elephant. Good. Here, cap. Yes. Shoes. And the girl, yummy. That is cake. And here it's a boy. So now you know perfectly what are naming words. Starting with the journey ahead, what are adjectives, children? Adjectives are actually the describing words. What do they describe? They describe your naming words. So they tell you something about how your noun is, how your naming word is, how whatever you are talking about, how it is. It might be in appearance, it might be in touch, it might be in color, it might be in weight, anything. But when you are describing, they are called describing words or we call them adjectives. Let's look out for some examples. This is a sweet mango. Now here mango is a naming word. And you are describing something about mango. How is the mango? Is it raw? Is it ripe? Is it sweet? Is it sour? So these are the different tastes of mangoes, different qualities of mango, how you can describe them. So sweet here is the adjective, that is the describing word. Let's look at the next example. That is a big car. Now again here we are talking about a car, that is a thing, it's a naming word, right? Yes. And what are you telling about car? How is it? That is big, that is small, that is modern, that is new, that is old, that is dull, that is fast. So this is how you are describing the car. So these are the words we are using to describe. So here big is again a describing word and it is called an adjective, children. So now here is some list of commonly used adjectives like the room is clean, I have a red dress, purple, that is again describing the color. Easy, you'd say the question is easy, the paper was easy, the exam was easy, so you are describing. Lazy, he's lazy, she's lazy. Happy, again you are describing somebody's state. So high, then long, yellow, pink. So these are the different colors. I have a pink flower. These are the different colors. Odd, scary, brave, low, fat, plain, orange, white, rich, calm, silly. You made a silly mistake. Wide, the roads are wide. Large, this is a large tree. Short, young, green, black, shy. So these are the different adjectives that we commonly use to describe the nouns. Kind, flat, big, short, tall, dry, old. So these are the different adjectives and there are many more, they are endless. So what you have to remember is that numbers, colors, size, sounds, shapes and tastes, they all describe and they are describing words, they are the adjectives. Can we go ahead now? Yes, and the list is endless, children. Let's do this exercise. Choose the correct adjective and fill in the blanks. Now your adjective should be sensible, they should make a sense with the noun you are using it for. Like if I say the dash man lives in a big palace, now I have two words to describe. That man can be rich, that man be poor also. Am I right? Yes. But do you think that a poor man can live in a big palace? No. So this will not make the sense, although it can describe the man, but it will not describe the man who is living in a big palace. So only rich is the correct adjective that is making a sense here. That is your correct answer. Right? This is how you will be very sensible in picking the correct adjective. Mother bought a dash sari. So can your sari be sad? It can be red in color. Yes, so that is the correct adjective. The dash dog ate the food. So will the dog who is eating the food, will he be hungry or he'll be thirsty? What do you do when you are thirsty? Good, you drink water, you don't eat food. So you eat food only when you are hungry. So this is the correct adjective here. The dash wizard gave a boon. Boon is a blessing. So do you think somebody who is wicked, who is clever will give a boon, a blessing? Somebody who is good will give a blessing. So a good wizard gave a boon. A rat is a dash animal. Is it big? No, it's small. Yes, you are right. So that is the perfect adjective here. So interesting how you have to pick out the most suitable adjective. Let's move to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with adjectives given in the box. So this way, as we have picked out, I hope you can pick from here also. The only difference is all the words are given to you in the help box. You have to pick them one by one. Let's do one or two here. Giraffes have what type of necks? Have you seen? They have long necks. So this has been used. And I'm crossing it out. I found dash bugs on the leaf. So what could be the bugs? Can there be 3 bugs? Yes. Can they be sour bugs? Can they be cute bugs? Can they be helpful bugs? Or can they be dark bugs? Yes, we can have this adjective here. I found 3 bugs on the leaf. My friend is very, how is your friend? Helpful. She wears dash glasses. So how could the glasses be? Can you tell me? Yes. Can they be sour or cute or dark? Dark glasses. So dark will come here. And the rest too, we have already done for rest too. Pick out the suitable one yourself. Let's move ahead now and let's recall what we know about adjectives now. They describe a noun or a pronoun. They are the describing words. They are called adjectives. And we have learned a long list of describing words. That is only a list which is endless. You can have many more adjectives, many more describing words for different nouns and pronouns. So it's time to practice now. Pick the correct answer. Describing words are called? Yes, they are called adjectives. I have a short stick. Which word describes the stick? How is the stick? It is short. Good. An elephant is what type of animal? Yes, it's a big animal. Now underline the adjectives and you have to draw an arrow also from the adjective to the noun that it describes. So you also have to tell which noun is being described by your adjective that you pick up. Like, he is a brave boy. So this word brave is underlined, that is an adjective, and it is telling you about the noun boy. Let's look at the next. Kolkata is a big city. So we are talking about big, that is describing. And what is it describing? It is describing the city. How is it? What is it? It is a city. That is a small shop. So what is the description? It is small. And what is small? Shop is small. So we'll draw an arrow here. Have you understood? So the rest 3 can you do yourselves? Good. So that should be the spirit. The more you practice, the more you will be understanding. Think of an adjective to describe each of the following. So can you see pictures here? And the words are already given. This is a lemon. How is it? You have to describe it from here. Everybody knows lemon is sour. So this will be sour. What is the next picture, children? Can you recognize? Yes, that is a bitter gourd. So what's the taste of the bitter gourd? It's bitter. The name itself tells it is bitter. And what about this ball of wool? How is it? It is soft. Very good. And the rest three, again, I leave on you to match yourself. So, adjectives is what? The words that describe the nouns or the pronouns. So, I think you can just find out some adjectives for yourselves now and for your friends also. Make a list, describe yourselves and try to describe the things around you using different adjectives and enjoy learning. We'll be seeing you in more sessions on grammar. Till then, happy learning children. Bye.